Hey drone lovers! In this video, we're flying into the world of the top 5 best drones you can buy on AliExpress in 2025. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or a professional content creator, these drones offer amazing value, performance, and camera quality. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's count down the best drones of the year. Let's go. Number 1. Xiaomi MIJIA V198 MAX GPS Drone. Xiaomi brings its smart tech into the skies with the V198 MAX. The 8K camera captures stunning Ultra HD detail, while GPS ensures steady navigation. The super compact when folded, ideal for travelers. 8K HD camera, GPS plus 5G Wi-Fi, brushless motors, foldable design, dual camera setup, long flight range with optical flow. Flight performance, stable and precise thanks to GPS and optical flow. 5G transmission is fast with minimal latency. Obstacle detection is solid in open areas. Pros, premium build quality. 8K resolution is stunning, compact and travel ready. Long battery life, 20 to 25 minutes. If you want Xiaomi's reliability and a sleek design with smart GPS features, this is a solid pick. Number 2. A25 GPS Drone, 8K, 3-axis gimbal. This drone is feature-packed. You get mechanical stabilization, which makes a huge difference for videographers. Plus, the range is amazing. Up to 20 kilometers. 8K camera with EIS and 3-axis gimbal. 5G FPV with screen controller. 20 kilometers flight range. Obstacle avoidance system. Brushless motors. Flight experience. Smooth takeoff and auto return. Gimbal keeps footage buttery smooth. Touchscreen controller is easy to use. Pros: 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Ultra-stable 8K video. Long-range flying. Excellent control system. Perfect for semi-professionals or vloggers who need stable cinematic footage. Number 3. AE60 GPS Drone, 12 kilometers range plus 3-axis gimbal. The AE60 drone is all about flight performance plus smooth video. The 3-axis gimbal and brushless motors provide great control even in moderate wind. Live FPV feed is lag-free, and the body feels durable. 8K Pro HD camera, brushless motors, GPS plus optical flow, 3-axis gimbal, 12 kilometers range, 5G FPV live feed, performance test, stable hover and quick satellite lock. Gimbal absorbs vibrations perfectly, great battery backup. Pros: excellent flight balance, durable body, obstacle avoidance helps in close-range flying, gorgeous 8K clarity, a very capable mid-range drone that gives great performance and stunning visuals. 4. AE30 GPS Drone, 20 kilometers plus fishing drone. Yes, this is a drone you can actually use for fishing. Besides that, it's a beast when it comes to performance. The AE30's touchscreen controller and obstacle detection make it a joy to use. Stable flight and strong motor power make this ideal for long-distance or outdoor shooting. 8K camera with gimbal, GPS with obstacle avoidance, 20 kilometers flight range, touch screen controller, designed with fishing capabilities, features tested, strong wind resistance, real-time FPV is reliable, works well over rivers or beaches. Pros: professional level features, 20 kilometers flight distance, fishing-ready payload, touch screen equals great control. If you're into adventure, fishing, or need ultra-long range, this drone delivers. 5. X40 MAX 8K Dual Camera Drone. The X40 MAX gives you dual camera flexibility, perfect for both cinematic and downward angles. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stabilized video, and it's one of the more stylish options with a sleek black finish. Dual 8K camera setup, 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, GPS and 5G digital transmission, compact, foldable body, performance insights, smooth camera switch between front and bottom, fast connection with 5G FPV, auto return and follow me modes are accurate. Pros: dual 8K cameras, compact and portable, obstacle avoidance works great, real-time GPS tracking, a great drone for content creators who want versatility plus stability in one package. So, which drone is right for you in 2025? It really depends on what you need most. Let's do a quick recap. If you're a casual flyer who wants quality video and portability, the Xiaomi MIJIA V198 MAX is a great pick with its 8K camera and foldable design. Needs cinematic stability and smooth footage? The A25 and AE60 both feature 3-axis gimbals and professional-grade cameras, perfect for content creators. For adventure seekers or fishing enthusiasts, the AE30 offers long-range flying, payload capacity, and a touchscreen controller, built for the outdoors. And if you want dual-camera creativity in a compact package, the X40 MAX gives you versatile shooting angles and excellent stabilization. In the end, each drone on this list brings powerful features to the table, from 8K resolution and obstacle avoidance to long-distance FPV and smart GPS navigation. All product links are in the description below. If you found this roundup helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, which drone would you choose for 2025? Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.